Splash and fun learning. Innovate to learn. Animals and their babies. Penguin and chick. Baby penguin is called chick. Zebra and foal. Baby zebra is called foal. Horse and foal. Baby horse is called foal. Sheep and lamb. Baby sheep is called lamb. Swan and cygnet. Baby swan is called cygnet. Goose and gosling. Baby goose is called gosling. Tiger and cub. Baby tiger is called cub. Elephant and calf. Baby elephant is called calf. Rabbit and bunny. Baby rabbit is called bunny. Goat and kid. Baby goat is called kid. Camel and calf. Baby camel is called calf. Duck and duckling. Baby duck is called duckling. Owl and owlet. Baby owl is called owlet. Ostrich, chick. Baby ostrich is called chick. Hen and chick. Baby hen is called chick. Frog and tadpole. Baby frog is called tadpole. Giraffe and calf. Baby giraffe is called calf. Dog and puppy. Baby dog is called puppy. Pig and piglet. Baby pig is called piglet. Kangaroo and joy. Baby kangaroo is called joy. Bear and cub. Baby bear is called cub.